Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm in Alaska, Skagway, and I'm going for a train tour. Side video to last See you then. Ciao ciao. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Etia ami ulai goi asu White Pass train tour sabole. Bibhinno dhoroner different crew members logot from different nationality, UK, Philippines, Indonesia, India, Mexico, and many other. Etia ami check-in kori ulai asu and keep watching the video. Welcome to Skagway, Alaska. Alright, we are heading towards the train now. এইটো হৈছে এইটো ট্ৰেইন যোনে আমাক White Pass mountain topলৈ লৈ যাব. All the crews are ready and very excited. A beautiful day today, not so sunny, not so windy, very nice. Usually Skagway is wet, rainy, windy, but today is a beautiful day. So go ahead, side থাকিব ভিডিওটো লাষ্টলে. On board. Our friends, that are interesting kotha hoise for the crew member. The ticket fare is very affordable and cheap. It's only $10, but for our guest, it's around $200. So, which makes a difference. And yeah, that's a lot of money. Our to map to hoise Skagway Mountain White Pass. The trail, it will toler probably 2,888 feet above the sea level, and about 2 hours man lagibo goi pabole. That's funny.
My God, no papers, no cell phone. I don't know how you make it here today.
This polar bear is late and he's running. The whole train is waiting for him. So guys, etu more friend, a colleague James from UK. Ki hoisile ki am ekele ulai ahisilu, almost bohibole olaisilu, but suddenly he realized koile jod ami rokhi asilu tate he dropped his phone and his ticket and everything. Now again he will have to go all the way back to the ship and then collect everything. Aro heblak loi ako doi ahise besera.
Yes, but we'll when we start going through town, we're not allowed to have people out there in city limits.
And finally, the train journey has begun, and we are off to the tour now.
So that you can go outside. Go outside, please make sure you understand that you are not allowed to any.
Time to give away our tickets to the TC, ticket collector. And friends, a few things about White Pass Skagway is White Pass is also famously known as Dead Horse Trail, and yeah, also this part edu jaga to control kora hoisile around by the native Indians, the Chilkut Indians. They to control korisile mostly until 1887. Yeah, tar pisot gore log aake they have control. You know the history of America, how it was. So yeah, the train journey begins. We are leaving the town. Etia ami Skagway town opra ulai goi asu lahale slowly, and you can see the beautiful vista from the train. Train window. Next to us, another train ase. Same thing, same concept. But it takes different people to the trail. Oporle loi jai, aru we all enjoy the beautiful view. Side hog video to last ole.
And enjoy the ride. Our story here on the White Pass Railroad is intertwined with the beginnings of the Klondike Gold Rush. Let me take you back to the year 1896. In the month of August, Skookum Jim and Dawson Charlie, George Skagway Cape were up in the Klondike area of the Yukon when they discovered the gold that would change the course of history. The gold rush itself started innocently enough about a year later in July of 1897, once the west coast of the contiguous United States found out. Two ships, the Portland and the Excelsior, docked in Seattle and San Francisco carrying stacks of yellow metal. Then it spread like wildfire nationwide, and at that point the west coast was already delirious with gold rush fever, and the race to get all through the summer and on to the winter of 1890.
So friends, all the crew members are having a nice warm experience inside the train, nicely weather controlled, and you can hear the announcement, the history by the train guide. You know, they say how the gold rush happened in Alaska, especially in Skagway is very famous. And yeah, more or less, it's a beautiful place. Lots of flora and fauna, beautiful flowers. I've seen all the way, and yes, very beautiful views all around. And this is the famous Skagway River. Oh, look at this stunning view, the valley. Wow, the White Cape Mountain. And usually the weather in Skagway, Alaska is nice. Maximum winter January, December mahot -15, 10 এনেকুৱা যাব যায় আৰু all year round the weather is really nice. এইটো আপোনালোকে দেখিব পাৰিছে ফ্লোৰা ফনা লিষ্টবোৰ কি ফ্লাৱাৰ্ছ কেনেকুৱা ফ্লোৰা ফনাবোৰ ইয়াতে available হয়. And yeah, the weather is nice. Summers are quite hot. June, July, it goes up to 30, 28 degrees Celsius, which is hot. And yeah, that's the beautiful view. আৰু লাহে লাহে আমি গৈ আছোঁ এতিয়া কিছুমান ক্ৰু মেম্বাৰ বাহিৰত ওলাই আহিছে চ' উই কেনট ক্ৰছ দ্য বগি মানে এটা ভেনৰ পৰা এটা ভেন আমি যাব নোৱাৰোঁ ডেট ইজ ষ্ট্ৰিক্টলি প্ৰহিবিটেড চ' পিছফালে এইটো মোৰ পিছফালে এটা বেলেগ এটা ডাব্বা আছে আৰু মই ফাৰ্ষ্ট ডাব্বাটোত আছোঁ এনেকৈ আমি বাহিৰত ওলাই পেলাই ধুনীয়াকৈ ভিউজবোৰ চাই পিকচাৰ্ছ লৈ মানে লাহে লাহে গৈ আছোঁ আৰু ইটছ ৰিয়েলি বিউটিফুল এণ্ড তলত আছে এইটো এটা river rafting area, the rapids, both strong rapids. I don't know how people do that, and it's pretty chilly and stunning view. And I must say, it was quite an experience for 2.5 hours, around 3 hours. So yeah, we all are having a nice time. And guys, look at that bridge. Heto bridge ami eta par koribo lagibo. It's scary, isn't it? Supported by wooden logs. I don't know. Goi asu baru ki hoy. Etu eta next train amar osore goi ase. I think yote ahi ase return from the tour. And wherever I go, I try to keep a warm water bottle aru tate moi tea bags kisuman loi jao. Ebur loi ke sa nije banai play auto খাওঁ আৰু তেনেকৈ এনজয় কৰোঁ আৰু চিনেৰীটো এনজয় কৰি গৈ আছোঁ আপোনালোকেও চাওক কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে মোক কমেণ্টত জনাব চেষ্টা কৰি আছোঁ ভিডিঅ'ছবোৰ বনাবলৈ আৰু তেনেকৈ মোৰ কণ্ট্ৰেক্টটো চলি গৈ আছে এটা ঠাইৰ পৰা এটা ঠাইলৈ ষ্টাৰ্টেড ইন অষ্ট্ৰেলিয়া ছিডনী দেন নিউজিলেণ্ড ক্ৰুজিং কৰিলোঁ টাছমেনিয়ান চি ভেৰি ৰাফ বহুত ৰেপিডছ আই মিন টু চে ৰাফ চি হয়. And yeah, now cross the Pacific, cross kori Hawaii golu, Hawaii, Seattle, ebilak salu. Then etia Alaska cruise kori aso. Ako very soon I'm going to go in Europe. Or vlogs were pabo Santorini, and then beautiful places like Rhodes in Greece, and yeah, many more. Naples, Italy. Ebur vlogs bur ahi ase. Apnaloke videos bur sabo aru kenuka pale muk janabo aru মোক জনাব কি ইম্প্ৰুভমেণ্ট কেনেকৈ কৰিব লাগে I'm not so good at it, but I'm trying my best. Anyways, enjoy the beautiful view. Look at the view. Hey guys, reaching our first tunnel. এইটো সোমালো আমি টানেলৰ ভিতৰত First tunnel, basically dihol nahoy. I think ahead we have more tunnel crossing ase. Tunnel, it's very cold inside, bahut thanda, and you can see pani pori ase. And this is the Nazara after crossing the tunnel. আৰু আমি লাহে লাহে ওপৰত গৈ আছোঁ অলমষ্ট পাম আৰু the White Pass hilltop and 2,888 feet height of the elevation above sea level. I don't know, maybe we have done almost like 1,500 or so. And friends, on my left, আপোনালোকে দেখিব পাৰিছে এটা ভঙা দলং বহুত পুৰণি হয় wooden structure broken like এটো পুৰণি এটা trail আছিলে road এটা আছিলে railway track which is not in use anymore, broken. And চাওক না কেনেকুৱা দেখিবলৈ stunning. And then মাজতে অকণমান ভঙা আছে. Yeah, of course this is not in use, many years old probably, বহুত বছৰ পুৰণা. And yeah, about to reach the White Pass and then we will return. Look at the beautiful view, spectacular. আৰু এটা টানেলৰ মাজেৰে গৈ আছোঁ আমি এতিয়া and dark, you cannot see much. And look at the bar of snow, stunning. Once again, return ahi asu. Etu bahar long to majot bhunga ase. Wow, what a view. Alright guys, time to go back. Now etia ami downhill goi asu tolole. Stunning views bur sai apnalokeo dekhibo parise through my window. And yeah, now heading back to the ship. So guys, এতিয়া আমি Skagway, Alaska return ahi palu town. This is the small town of Skagway. এতিয়া আমাৰ tour to complete hol and সময় হৈছে এতিয়া আমি অকণমান town to explore কৰা, অকণমান refresh হোৱা. It was a wonderful journey around the mountains. এতিয়া আমি ট্ৰেইনৰ পৰা নামি লাহেকৈ অকণমান So guys, আজি কাৰণে ইমানখিনিয়ে ব্লগটো সামৰিছোঁ এতিয়া শ্বিপলৈ যাওঁ I'll start my work at 5:30 the time is now it's 4:30 and yeah if I have a flow rider I think it won't happen temperature to খুবই low 7 degrees so yeah and then I have competition soccer and then I'm done for the day look at this so neat and tidy what do you say surrounding boundary and then every morning you have this view wow beautiful and yeah I would like to show you these flowers it's everywhere look at this beautiful yellow and I love yellow one of my favorite color yellow the color of joy I reckon yeah it lights up your mood and now back to ship all the guests on board are also going back to the ship wow what a beautiful background the ship and the snow-capped mountains we didn't see any bear or any eagles though here maybe Skagway they don't have much here around the port So guys ভিডিওটো আজি ইমানখিনি আছিলে এতিয়া মই শিপলৈ ৰিটাৰ্ণ গৈ আছোঁ আপোনালোকে দেখিব পাৰিছে the beautiful spectacular view of Skagway blue sky snow-capped mountains green yellow and yeah beautiful weather nice climate আৰু ভিডিওটো কেনেকুৱা পালে চাই মোক জনাব কমেন্টছত আৰু লাইক ভাল পালে লাইক এটা দিব আৰু প্লিজ subscribe to my channel and hope to see you in another vlog another destination and till then ciao ciao time হৈ গৈছে মোৰ যাবলৈ and see you in another vlog take care bye bye